The way that the exhibition came together was in many ways a direct response to the space, but using exhibition design as a medium is an important way for me to deal with spaces that are either very conventional or very unconventional. So a white cube, for example, there's only so much you can do in a single white cube gallery. And that's one of the ways that I started to deal with dividing space without building walls. In the case of this exhibition, there are the gallery is already predetermined. There are these kind of 3 galleries that are connected by what often becomes a corridor or feels like a corridor. And I wanted to kind of break out of that and use the walls that may be perceived as a hallway. By kind of painting the walls in a certain way, my aim was to turn the viewer around in these galleries and to kind of have the viewer move throughout the space in a way that treats all of the walls equally. There's an ornamentality to abstraction and to abstract painting. Specifically, I mean, post-war, like American abstraction is quite ornamental. I think that perhaps I'm interested in bringing in a different kind of ornament that has been neglected throughout Western art history. Often paintings do become backdrops for the sculptural works, but there is an interdependence so that the paintings themselves don't function autonomously, neither do the objects themselves. There's a kind of dependence on each aspect in the composition. They can function as sculptures or paintings, however you think about it.